Being one of the fastest developing cities in the world, Lagos is ripe with opportunities for anyone and everyone looking to be a part of its fast rising growth. For the experienced investor, future homeowner, and even developer, Lagos offers up one of the most valued assets in the world. What is it? Land, and lots of it. And not just any land in highly secured, serviced and rapidly developing estates. With such value free and open to the public, it's no surprise why people are snapping up plots on a daily basis. And it's because of this that we spent the better part of 2021 scouring this beautiful city for the best options on the market. Right now, some of the best locations to buy land are Orange Island, Quarry Creek Estate, Hampton Bay Island, and a host of others that offer benefits like security and high-end management. Don't just take our word for it. In 2020, the cost of land per square meter in Orange Island was 100,000 to 135,000. In Quarry Creek Estate was 200 million to 220 million per plot of land. And in Hampton Bay Island was 120,000 to 140,000 per square meter. Right now, you need at least 185,000 to 260,000 to pay for 1 square meter in Orange Island, 225 million to 265 million per plot in Quarry Creek Estate, and in Hampton Bay Island, 250,000 naira per square meter. That's just in the space of 1 year. These estates appreciate regularly and rapidly because they go through major development as more and more people invest in them. Not only do they offer high levels of security, but some of these estates also provide a serviced environment that delivers 24/7 power, water, and other utilities that are essential for daily living. This makes moving into your future home a seamless process with a future of stress-free living if you're looking for a place to call home. With fewer plots available for sale in Orange Island, Quarry Creek Estate, and Hampton Bay Island, it's practically a race to see who can prepare themselves for a highly profitable future with these investment options that are just minutes away from the best neighborhoods in the city. For more inquiries, please contact the number on your screen or visit our website, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thank you.